All right, we are doing Jedi Lessons Week 4A. This week we are learning about circular motion, and we are going to be talking about centripetal, there it is, not centripetal acceleration. So the question today is a car travels around a circular track in a given time. So we're just gonna, let's see if we can do a better one than last time. This is just gonna be a big box car. It goes around a circular track. Boom, so he's gonna go all the way around the track. The car goes around the track in 275 seconds. What is the magnitude of the centripetal acceleration of the car? To figure out our centripetal acceleration, first we're going to need to know what the radius, this isn't a true circle, but we're going to need to know the radius of our circle. We are going to need to know the time, the velocity, and the acceleration of our vehicle. So time is going to be in seconds. That is our SI unit. For our velocity, the SI unit is meters per second. And then the SI unit for our centripetal acceleration is meters per second squared. So to find this out, we're just going to read through the, we're going to read through our question again to find all the numbers that we have. So the radius of our circle is 3.51 kilometers. The car goes around the track in 275 seconds, so that's the time that it takes for it to go around the track. 275. In order to find our velocity, we have to do velocity and do the formula for that, which is d over t, distance over time. To find the distance of the entire circle, we have to do the radius times pi to get the whole circle. So we're going to do that in pencil now. So to get our velocity, it's our distance, which is 2 pi r squared. Nope, just 2 pi r. To find the distance, and then for our time, we're just going to divide it by the time that we are given. So to make life easier for us, we're going to simplify this into v equals 2 times pi times 3,510 meters. And then we're gonna, after we get it from meters and do our whole thing, we're gonna convert it down to kilometers over our 275 seconds. The calculations for that is 2 times 3.14 times 3510 is 22,000. We're going to do 22,042 over 275 seconds. We're going to divide that together. So 22042 divided by 275 equals 80.196 meters per second. And that is going to give us the velocity, because for our velocity, it equals distance over time. And so our distance over time is 80.19 or 153, sorry. 80.153. So we're just going to plug that in up here just so that we have everything we need. 80.153. And then to figure out the acceleration of our centripetal, to find that out, acceleration is velocity squared over distance, over the radius that we are working with. So not the complete distance, not 2 pi r, we're just going to be doing the radius so that we can figure out how fast the vehicle is going. To figure this out, we're going to get our number from up here. So 80.153 meters per second squared over 3510 meters. We're going to do 80.153 divided by 3510. Oh, I forgot to square that. Sorry. 80.153 squared. There you go. Now this is making more sense. 3510 equals 1.83 meters per squared. And that is our centripetal acceleration of a vehicle going around a circular track in 275 seconds.